Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve an integral calculus problem that uses U-substitution. So the problem here is the integral of 8x cubed e raised to x raised to 4 dx. So here we're going to let u be equal to x raised to 4. Then we're going to differentiate it. The u now will be equal to 4x cubed dx. Then we're going to divide both sides by 4. Du over 4 is equal to x cubed dx. So let's now rewrite our original equation. So let's bring the constant 8 outside of the integral sign. Then since x raised to 4 is equal to u, we're going to substitute that, and x cubed dx is equal to du over 4. Then let's simplify this. 8 over 4, that is equal to 2 eu du. So let's now integrate this one. 2, if we're going to integrate e raised to u du, is equal to e raised to u plus c. And let's substitute back the value of u, which is x raised to 4. 2e x raised to 4 plus c. That's the answer for the problem. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something again today. Thank you.